Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we are talking about another stunning strategy, the new in town you can use to scalp the market and swing the market and make your profit daily target easy as possible. Only if you can follow the instructions and how it is being done. This is HumbleFx signing in. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded. Okay, and please, I will need your feedback, your comments in the comment section. After watching the video, how do you feel about it? Please give us a feedback so we know where we can rebrand it. Okay, we just want you to make money also while we make it at the same time. Okay, so watch and follow the instructions. We may take live trades here if we have any. Let us check if I can see a live trade that we can take right now, so that now we have a trade here to take, but it's not a perfect trade. It's not a perfect trade actually, but let us risk it. Taking two candles only. Okay, let's just risk it. But that's not a perfect trade, guys. It's not a perfect trade. Okay, let me see if I can see another ones on this, on the crash 1000 index. So before we continue the video, let's see if I can see. Thank God, this is a great one. But already we are entering late. But anyway, let us take it. Guys. All right, just take it. Let me check 1000 as well and see if we can see another setup on that part as well. Okay, I'll show you why I took those trade. Why I took this one has already moved a long downward movement. Already it has moved a long down, so this one is not a good time to trade. So we should leave this one. Should leave it and leave this one. So I told you guys this was a wrong, is if a fake entry, as in not a confirmed entry. Let us just allow it to hit our 3 candles or 2 candles and we'll exit the market. Okay, now let us go to where we are from 500. All right, now what are we talking about here? Let us check the settings of the market, then we'll go and check our trades. First of all, on your F button, we have only two moving averages on the main chart, which is first one we have the period is 12, shift is 0, method is linear weights, apply to close, style I choose red. You can choose any color that you want, and you click on done. Okay, now the next one we have the moving average is period is 20, shift is 0, method is linear weights, apply to close I choose purple color. You can choose any color that you like and you click on done. All right, after that you should have something like this on your main chart. Okay, your main chart. Now on the window indicator, on the window indicator here, we have the same thing we have on the main chart, except that we have something which is a stochastic oscillator. Period is K period is 1, D period is 1, slowing is 1, price feed is low high, method is simple. Then the colors here, I choose my background color. You can choose your background color. If you're using black background, you choose black here. Now the levels, we have level 20, 80 and 50. Level 50 is your take profit, level 80 is your sell entry, your 20 is your buy entry. Okay, and you click on done. After that, you add the same moving average on your main chart, which is average of 20, 0 linear weight close, and 12, 0 linear weight close. Okay, that's just the simple things we have here. Let me check my trade and take my profit if I have profit already. See that I've gotten my take profit here, so I should exit from my exit. So let me check the charts actually. Let me check the charts. Okay, I'm thinking that the market will go up a bit. It will still go up. It's an uptrend. So let me wait if I can get some profit more. Some profits more. It's a 5-minute time frame. I see it's uptrend. It's an uptrend market. It's an uptrend market. So let us hold a bit. Let's hold a bit and see what we have got to do. Let's hold just a bit. All right, just a bit. And this one is the one that I know is already met our entry, even though we entered late. Now, how do we take our trade? Let's go back to where we are. How do we take our trade with this setup? Okay, first thing first, when there is a crossover of the red and the purple line, you enter for your candles. You see, you enter here, and you take your candles. Okay, but always that there are fake candles, there are fake signals that always arise. So how do we now overcome these fake signals that fake crosses? Okay, that is why we have the window indicator 2 here to guide you on this getting a good signal. Okay, now if you follow only on the window indicator to trade, you might get some few fake signals. Now let me show you an example of fake signals that you can get that will blow your account. Okay, now look at here. Look at this place. There is a cross here. There is a cross. There's a cross of red and purple here. There's a cross here, but it did not move further down, and the spike is starting spiking. And if you are in that place, you shall lose your money or blow your accounts. Why? There's a cross here, so you enter market here, but at this level here, it is still at the oversold region. Okay, still coming from the downward going up, which means is an oversold region. Okay, so you don't want to enter the market right at this point because it's still somewhere here, and it might spike anytime from now. Okay, so you stay away from selling. Instead you buy or you leave it to get a entry. Now, when do we enter a perfect entry? Okay, here is it. When you enter, this is the entry point for perfect entry. For the great entry, this is the entry point. Okay, this is an entry point. When the market has go above level of 80 and the two lines are crossing. Okay, when the two lines is crossing above level 80, then you should expect your entry. You should enter your market immediately here and take the candles down to the next to the next level, the next level. Here is the level you should take your profit. Here is the recent level after the spike has happened. Here is the level, the recent level. So you should take your profits here. You can move all this down to this take profit before continue. All right, that is how you do it. Or if you want to be on the safe side, you can just take like 10 candles and you go away. Just 10 candles and you are good to go. If you check more, you will see same thing happening. There is a cross above level 80. There's a cross here and you enter the market, 10 candles and you go away. Okay, now you see another fake entry. See another fake entry here. This one is still at this level and it crossed here, so you should not enter the market because this one is still around this place and you will lose money, except you are taking 3 candles or 2 candles as I'm doing on that crash. I told you guys the crash is not a good entry, but I'm taking it because I want to take 3 candles. Now I see it's an uptrend, that's why I'm holding it. Okay, now let us continue. All right, you see on that entry here, there is a cross above the level of 80. There's a cross here. You should have taken your candles here and go your way. Now let us check that other crash 1000. All right, now here crash 1000, you see we enter the market live here, so you see it. There's a cross below level 20. Look at that cross below level 20. There's a cross here. So this is our entry is supposed to have been started from here, but we missed it. Okay, our entry is here and our TP is level 20, so I had to enter it again to get level 20. But if I want to be so conscious of this money, I can just exit my trade right now. At least I've gotten about how many candles now? I've gotten about 6 to 7 candles right now already. So that's not too bad for the day. Okay, but if you know your trend line, if you know your trend and support and this and market structure, you can be able to know when it is on an uptrend. And so if you come here on the 5-minute time frame, you should see that the 5 minutes or so is already crossing at the level of 20, which means this is a long trade. Okay, which means I can hold this trade for some time because the 5 minute time frame has already crossed as well. Okay, even though the main chart is not already crossing, but here I already crossed, giving me entry to enter from the 5 minute time frame. That means I can stay longer in this market. Okay, that is how it works. If you get the signal on 5 minute time frame, you will know you are going to stay longer. See it here, there's a crossover here, and you stayed about 1 2 3 4 5. That is 25 minutes time, 25 minutes candles is not something small. Okay, so it happens now, but I like to use the 1 minute time frame to get early signals to enter the market. Early signals. Okay, it happens always. See them, happens always, guys. All right, because this is just simple setup that you can use to make the market without having series of losses and all that. Okay, so guys, that is it, guys. Let me check if our crash is doing well, because the crash, I don't know what's wrong with this. Check. See that, guys. You see that, guys. Told you guys this is not actually a perfect entry, but I'm not going to exit the market. Okay, I know it will come back to my entry. I'll not exit it. I'll not exit it. After all, I'm still not exiting it. Okay, you see that is a very big loss. That's a very big loss right now. All right, very big loss. But I'm not going to exit the market. I'm not going to exit it. I'm going to wait for it. But remember, I told you the cross happened here, and you see where it's happened here as well, and I entered, which I told you sometimes such is a fake signal, and you should not take it. All right, why I took this one is to show you that you can take 2 to 3 candles of such crosses, and of such crosses if you are lucky, and we're lucky to take about 3 candles or 4, but I wanted to take more. That is why this stuff happens to me. Okay, even though with this one it should be showing an uptrend market, but no. Please pardon me. All right, but I'm still not going to exit the market. I will hold it to my take profit, guys. I trust the market will come back to my entry. At least here is still around here, so I should be expecting a more move up. Okay, guys, this is just a simple, amazing strategy you can use to make the market without much loss. Okay, guys, practice on your demo. Try on your demo, guys, and see how you can go about it. Now you see, for enter this market as a buy, or if we sold the market here at that time, we should be in a big loss now. But if we bought, we should have been in a profit. From here we should buy from here, but selling from here is very bad, and you can lose money anytime from then. All right, so don't fall that victim. Don't fall such victim. All right, guys, this is HumbleFx. Please comment on the comment section below and let me see your feedback as soon as possible. All right, I will update you on the last video on the trade we took that gave us loss, so you see that it's actually come back to my profit. All right, so let that not be a discouragement for you. The setup work very good. All right, so only thing, don't be greedy, follow the instructions, and don't enter a wrong signal. Okay, don't enter a wrong signal. Don't enter a wrong signal. If a spike happened, if you enter a trade and a spike happened on you, check where it happened. Are you on the right time type? Are you at the level of 80 and so for boom? If you are at level of 8 already, and the spike happened to you, just hold it to come back to your take profits. Okay, now the zoom level, guys, zoom level for the setup is this. From the lower zoom level, you can zoom it out for one time like this. This is what I use most time. You can also increase more like this. That is, these 2 zoom levels is what I use. They are working very great and they are very good. Okay, that's it, guys, and enjoy the market, make the market. Okay, please comment below, like the video, share to your friends, and let us know how you feel. HumbleFx signing out. Thank you so much, and remember blessed.